Alright, so I've got some old PPF film that I want to remove since I'm getting a new clear bra, full coverage clear bra installed tomorrow. So I'm going to be removing this to save some money. I've got a steamer ready to go, and I'm basically just going to be heating it up and then pulling sort of away from the adhesive. You'll see. Yeah, it should be pretty simple, just time consuming. So you can see here on my fender, there's a lot of dirt buildup around the edge of the film. And a lot of that is just, maybe poor quality install. It was a DIY laser cut kit that I did myself, but it's also been 5 years, so it's 5 years of accumulation. You can see here there's some spots where I couldn't quite get it to set properly, so it bubbled up a little bit. But yeah, that's why it's time for a replacement. I'm using a McCulloch MC1275 steam cleaner that I purchased from Amazon for about 160 bucks. I'll have a link in the description. You could probably get away with a blow dryer or a heat gun, but the steamer works much quicker, and honestly, it's a lot more enjoyable to use. More importantly, it makes it easier to direct heat underneath the film. Anyways, once your steamer is warmed up, start by heating up the film, focusing on the corner you plan to start pulling from. Once the film is nice and warm, go ahead and start lifting the corner of your film. Keep applying steam as you pull. Once you get your corner lifted, it's just a matter of simply going back and forth between pulling the film and applying heat. Patience is key. Don't try to get too ahead of yourself or you risk damaging your paint. Work in small sections, then apply more heat. Heat is your friend here. I found that it helps to preheat the film in front of where you're pulling, both on top and on the underside. When possible, try to pull at a low angle towards yourself or in the opposite direction of the film, rather than pulling straight up. This can help prevent potentially lifting off any paint. Obviously, it's not always possible, so just do what you can. Again, you're pulling away from you, right? As best as you can. Sometimes you can't. But when you can, try to. So you're still going to be left with some dirt lines most likely, and this will just come off. Take some Goo Gone onto a towel and just spray it. The line will come right off. And just start peeling it up. Once you get a little bit peeled, then you can start spraying a little bit more on that corner. Get some heat onto there. Definitely helps to use two hands available. So if you could have a friend or your wife steaming everything while you pull, that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this excess off. Alright, that's the hood. No residue, no peeling, all come off in relatively one piece. So, like I said, all of this, the line where the film ended, that can all be rubbed out very easily with Goo Gone. Okay, and again, just take a second, try to peel off, start in one corner, try to peel a little bit off. And then start peeling away. Again, if you can, pull away from the film, right? I'm pulling away, getting a low angle, and not lifting straight up. All done. Like I said earlier, you're going to be left with a little bit of a sort of a residue line from where the film ends, and dirt's just built up over time. Right, it's especially bad here, but like I said, that'll come off very easily with just a towel and a little bit of Goo Gone. So yeah, just take a nice clean microfiber cloth, spray your Goo Gone, and a couple wipes, and it should go right away. See, it's really, realistically, it's just dirt. Nothing crazy. See, that comes right off. No hard scrubbing or buffing. Just a little bit of Goo Gone. So like I said, all it takes to get rid of those little residue lines is just a little bit of Goo Gone. You could probably use some, bug and tar remover. That would work well. Anything really. It's honestly, probably use soap and water. It's very light dirt. But yeah, that's how you remove PPF. Definitely helps to have an extra set of hands to help steam while you pull, or vice versa, but obviously you could get the job done by yourself. Anyways, that's it. Hope that was informative for you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.